If you are unable to create correct relationships with others, if you think that nobody loves you or everyone is against you, if you don't have neither strength nor desire to associate with your husband, wife, or partner, if you quickly get tired of work or you don't even want to go to work, if you cannot concentrate, if you are unable to speak with other person to clear out relationships, or if you are unable to keep distance from a person that you don't want to talk with, if you can't wake up early, if you blame others in your problems, if you don't have strength to find a job, or you don't have strength to leave a job that you don't like, or if you cannot control your eating habits, or you don't have motivation to do sports, then obviously you lack willpower and motivation. So if you go for a walk of 40 minutes long, this will boost your motivation, your willpower, and also your immunity. So if you want to have good immunity, a lot of motivation and a lot of willpower to do things and change things in your life, then 40 minutes walk every day or every second day, this will boost all these things and it will really change your life. How to walk? You should walk in a peaceful way, in a relaxed way, you should think more about the nature around you, listen to something nice, something motivating, inspiring. Because if you go for a long walk, but if you still keep thinking about your problems, thinking that this is bad, that is bad, I don't like anything, everything is happening bad in my life, then this will not really boost you up. But if you go for a long walk, you move your body and you concentrate on something positive like the nature, the fresh air, or some nice music, some inspiring lecture, then all those things will change in your life. You will boost up your immunity, you will have much more motivation and willpower. So start by going out today or tomorrow, and soon after you will see that when you move your body, all the energy starts to flow nicely in your body and you are able to do much more, and you have motivation and willpower to start actually doing things.